A lot of our neighbors thought we were moving because we're getting so much stuff on our house done. They're like, no, we want the house to look nice while we live here. So we've heard good things from neighbors about C&L Ward. When the salesman came over, he was very polite and was friendly with the kids and was honest with us, and was quick to respond to any questions we had and prices. And me and my husband Craig had quite a few projects done. That would be the front door, the garage door, the back door, gutters and the fascia around the top of the house. We found this beautiful blue color for our siding. I have two boys and they're 6 and 2 years old, so they're interested in anyone that comes over. The crew was explaining what they were doing to them and they had a lot of fun. So I feel so good driving down the road towards my house and it just looks so nice. And we had people drive by and ask who did the work, and we're like, oh, C&L Ward, they did a wonderful job. So we are recommending the services to our neighbors. We opened our door to a job well done.